rotate this red knob in anti-clockwise, right? So this is anti-clockwise, and now you can twist this in the same direction in which you are rotating this knob. So let me just do a jump as well. Okay, if you'll move this middle portion in the clockwise direction, then it will become short, right? Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great and safe. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna do unboxing and review of this pull-up bar from Lifelong company. And before starting the video, I would like to mention one important thing, that this thing which I've bought with my own money from Amazon. So whatever review I'll be giving here will be unbiased and most honest. So watch the video till the end. Guys, first we'll do the unboxing and then I'll tell you about the quality of the bar honestly, and after that I'm gonna install it and I'll show you how to install it and if it can hold my weight, which is around 78 kgs. So we'll see everything in this video. Alright guys, before unboxing I'm gonna show you what is on the box. So here you can see the branding, Lifelong pull-up bar. Then this is actually the bar which they have made. These bars actually come from lot of brands, right, and a lot of them are good actually. So I'll put some links in the description below. If you want to check out, you can check out, and if you like, you can buy them as well. So this is the information which is mentioned here, and the generic name is pull-up bar, SQID, and country of origin is China. Okay, so these are the information like important and month or date of the import, and after that this is the price which they have written, but this is not the actual price. You can see the price on the link which is in the description, and this bar, by the way, is on sale right now. So if you want to buy it, grab it right now because it's on the sale. So now you can see this information, and if I'll go down, but first of all I have to cut this down because this bar has my information on it. Okay, now you can see how they have started this Lifelong brand, basically how they have started, and they have actually shown their journey from year by year, which is a good touch, by the way, for building the trust with the customers, right? So this is the information, and now is the time when we open it. It's actually not properly packed, you can see it's like opening from here, but we have one tape, so I can cut this down now, and okay, so here we go. And I don't think we have another packing in this, so can we have the drum roll please? So this is it, and this is the pull-up bar. Comfortable, I'll say. It's a little foamy. Let me put this down, and you can see it's there's a manual as well. So first of all we have to cut this packing. Alright, we have this manual. Let's keep this manual on a side for a moment, and I'll tell you how to configure this, how to use this. But before that, I'm gonna show you the quality, and I'm gonna explain you a few important things about this rod or pull-up bar. So first of all, you can see the branding is Lifelong. You can see it here. Then you can see it's written Extend. Now guys, let's talk about the quality of this rod. So quality of this pull-up bar or rod is not bad at all. So having a heavy duty materials used. So first of all, we'll talk about this main rod. This is made up of metal, but outer material is of foam. If I'll put a knife in here, then it can like easily tear it down. But yeah, the foam is good. I haven't like done a push-up, so I'm not sure whether this form is enough or no, or I will like comfortable doing the pull-ups. But other than this rod, everything else is of plastic. You know, this thing is also made of metal, which is also coming from the main rod while we extend this and extend the sides basically. So these things are made of plastic, and this the thing which is inside on which we have the threads, this is also made of plastic, and these things as well. But the quality, I'm like finding the quality, you know, not bad at all, it's fine. So if you look at the price point, then I think it justifies the price. Alright guys, now I'll tell you how to use this and how to install this. So first of all, you can see lock and unlock here, right? So you have to rotate this red knob in anti-clockwise, right? So this is anti-clockwise, and now you can twist this in the same direction in which you are rotating this knob. So in the same direction, and it will come out, right? So I'll show you. This thing is coming out, and same thing you can do on the other side as well. Okay, now if you lock it, if you like rotate this knob in clockwise direction, red knob, then this thing will be locked, right? So you will not able to move it anymore if this is particularly locked. And you can do the same thing on the other side as well. So same anti-clockwise direction, and we have to make sure that these things, both these sides are like similar. This distance basically needs to be like similar, right? It should be same, otherwise the rod will be not properly positioned as per this instruction manual. Now guys, how to measure both the sides, right? So I have a great idea. You can count the number of twists you made to this particular side, and then you can do the same on this side as well. Otherwise you have measuring tape and you can count. Alright guys, right now I'm showing you this product on Amazon, right? And this is the brand, so you can also see the rating. Now I'll show you all the things one by one. So this thing can hold the weight up to 200 kgs, right? So a 200 kg person can easily hang on this bar and do the pull-ups. And you can see the length as well. So minimum is 74 centimeters and maximum it can go to 74 to 97 centimeters. Then this is the multi-purpose bar, how you can use it, right? Pull-ups, stretching, push-ups and sit-ups. Now there's a honeycomb on the sides which is anti-skid, right? And after that this is how you can use it, and this is how you can install it, which I'll show you later in the video, by the way. Now this is a multi-layered thickened steel pipe and triple gear lock, and we have this embedded high precision level, which is the leveler I've shown you earlier. And after this we have more effort into pulling the bar, the sturdier it becomes. Okay, so this means like if you're doing a pull-up and you are putting pressure on this bar, so as the pressure increases, this bar becomes more sturdier, like it will it extends more and more, which is a good thing, right? So yeah, this is about it. So ideally guys, you have to put it into the frame of the door, and I haven't measured, like quite frankly I haven't measured the frame of my door yet, but I think like it's it can extend up to 97 centimeters, so I think it will fit properly, and then I can do some pull-ups on this as well, and hopefully I will not fall. And this rod can hold my weight, which is very less than this company claims, which is 200 kgs, by the way. So let me take this and let's do some pull-ups. Guys, now is the time when we'll be installing the pull-up bar here in the door frame. So I'm not sure if you can see that in the video, but I'll show you. First of all, let me grab that pull-up bar and then we'll start the installation. let me tell you the mechanism a little bit, which I told you earlier as well. So if you want to extend this, you have to turn the sides on anti-clockwise, right? Now you can see the length is increasing, right? And if you turn it clockwise, this thing will go inside. So now it is getting shortened, right? So according to your door frame, I'll recommend just measure your door frame first. Like I have a door frame in which I'm standing right now. I'll show you the full frame as well when I put it in the door frame. But right now I'm just measuring it, and then accordingly I'll put okay. And also if there is some margin left, then you don't have to turn the sides. You can turn this rod as well, and then also it will get shortened and become longer. So just make sure that these sides are like equal on both the ends. These sides, this one and this, the extended side, basically the extension, this one. So this is same on both the ends, just to make sure your rod is like evenly distributing the weight on both the ends, and it looks good as well. So yeah, I think I'm almost there. Just I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm almost there, just a little bit of margin you can see here, right, on both the ends. Alright guys, so this is how I put it in my door frame. Let me tight these knobs, the red ones, and now if you'll twist it, you'll not able to do it because these need to be loose before you do any twists and turns. Now guys, you can see the bar is properly fit in the door frame, but let's suppose you have a little margin, right? You are thinking that this is still not tight, right? Because it's very difficult to move the sides while the bar is in the door frame, right? Because the sides will stick on both the ends as well, right? So it will be very difficult for you. But there is also one thing which you can do. If a little bit margin is required, like here and there, if you want to elongate or extend this pull-up bar, or you want to make it short, then there's a trick. So what you can do, there's a mechanism, if I'll say. So if you will move it on the clockwise side, right, this middle bar, right, the whole pull-up bar is not getting rotated, just this middle thing on clockwise side, then it will become short, right? But if you will move it on the anti-clockwise side, which I'm doing right now, you can see it's very hard for me to move this because it is getting extended, right? So this is how you can adjust your bar if there's some margin left. I'll repeat it again for you. If you'll move this middle portion in the clockwise direction, then it will become short, right? And if you have to take your bar out, then you can do it by moving this. But if you want to make it properly fit and extend, then you can turn it in anti-clockwise direction like this. And when you think that it's not moving anymore or twisting anymore, then you can tighten these knobs on both the ends. And now is the time when we test it. Okay, so let me just, by the way, my weight is 78 kgs, okay, plus minus. So okay, it can take my weight. So guys, right now I'm doing the front pull-ups and I'm putting a lot of pressure on this bar. Okay, but it's holding its place, it's not going anywhere. So now is the time to do the back pull-ups as well. Yeah, it's holding its place. So I'm putting a lot of pressure, Let me just do a jump as well. Okay. Guys, trust me, I put a lot of pressure on this bar, but this bar is like on the same place on which I installed it. So it's holding its place pretty well. And if you want to buy it, it's a good quality. You can buy it. I'll put the link in the description below. And this bar I've ordered with my own money. So and this bar I have ordered with my own money. So whatever review I'm giving here is completely honest and unbiased. So this is it, guys. And if you have any queries, any questions, you can put them in the description below, or you can message me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be on the screen here. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, take care. Peace. Bye bye.